Hey, what's up guys? 2025 Goodlock app biggest update is here. Lot of new features has been added and lot of new changes has been made. So I have already updated it. In this video, I will tell you all the changes which has been made and all the new feature which has been added in this new Goodlock app. And I will tell you how you can download this as well. So you don't need One UI 7 to install this. You can install it on One UI 6 also. You can see I'm using Samsung Galaxy S23 FE and it's on One UI 6, so I have already updated. So you can install this on One UI 6 also. I don't know about One UI 5. Okay, now let me tell you all the new features and new changes which has been made. So the first thing you will notice after update is the completely new refresh UI design. This looks so much better and so organized. Okay, this UI design looks so much better and simpler, right? Let me show you the previous design. You can see this one looks so ugly and unorganized, and this is the newer one. And on the top, the category has been added to simplify the search. If you click on notice, all the notice will be there. If you click on the process, all the process news will be there, right? This UI look much better and much organized. Okay, and at the bottom you can see this new icon has been added. Previously there was no icons, so you can see just a text over here, but a new icon has been added. Okay, previously here was a makeup, but now it's a plugin. Now it has been replaced by plugin. If I click on plugin, all the modules will be here and you can see all the update details over here from here only. And yeah, I think you can download directly from here also, just like before also. And here also you will find all the categories. If you click on wallpaper, all the modules related wallpapers will be here. And they have added a new widget feature, which I think is the best feature they have added. I will tell you how to set up that widget later in this video. First, let me tell you about this new use section. There is nothing much, just you can add your favorite module over here. If you click over here, if you have installed the modules, you can select the modules. It will be added to your favorite. Okay, now if you go over here, you can directly access from here, right? So this is the simple feature. So you can add a favorite. Okay, now let's talk about that new widget feature. To access that new widget features, you have to click over here, this icon. Just click over here. You can see the two new widget feature has been added. If you click on menu and if you click on add to home screen, then the new shortcut has been added. If I go over here, you can see the new shortcut Goodlock app. If you click over here, all the modules which you have installed on Goodlock app will be available on your home screen. You can directly click over here and open the modules, right? Another one which is my favorite one is, let me show you how to set up that. Okay, if I go once again, this is the cassette one. If I click over here and if I click on add to home screen and click on open and click on allow, there will be a completely new widgets. You can see it's animated over here, and you can click over here and add your favorite modules over here: Wonderland, Navbar, F, Lockstar, just like this. Save over here. You can see all the modules has been added. The widgets, it's the cassette is running, and I think you can click the widgets or click the modules over here and it will directly open. Okay, so if I click on Wonderland, so directly it will open. So you don't have to go to Goodlock. Now you don't have to go to Goodlock app and go to plugin and select the modules from here. You can directly click the modules from your home screen as well. So all this new feature has been added and I really love this new Goodlock app update. All right, so if you haven't got this update, I will tell you how you can get this update. Okay, there is two way. First, let me tell you the simple way. Go to Galaxy Store and just type Goodlock, and if you click here, you may see a new update over here. Just I have already updated it, so it won't show me the update. The another way is I will give you the download link in the description. The latest Goodlock app 3.0 version, I will give you the download link in the description. You can download from there. Okay, all right guys, if you like this video, give a thumbs up and have a great day. Meet you in my next video. If you have a Samsung phone, please subscribe to my channel, and please, I'm really sorry for my English. I'm kind of new and I'm trying my best to explain you guys. All right, bye bye, have a great day. Support small creator also. Bye.